Welcome back to Balabadis, my wonderful people. Following the insecurity in Southeast, no be smart, they say one village where they call up of Anambra State. They say that village now they then get the highest security. They say their convoy reach up to 200 though. They say they no go gree for any nyaga wey dey happen for inside Anambra. My people, as this one dey happen, the information wey we dey get now na be say the deputy prime minister of Biafra government in exile wey dey call Ngozi Orabueze, they say the woman don provoke o. He say that now is recruiting his own army. As he get small clash, he get clash with the other army wey Mazi Simon Ekpa recruited. My people, this matter no go end for here. Let me play you the video of the security for inside Anambra before we jump for as he take dey recruit the security. Make una watch and stay tuned and watch this video from beginning to end.
Aba na Anambra State, bịa na anụ ụkpọ. Ndị ụkpọ asị ka ekene unu niile. Na-ekene Ọgammadi Ncha, na-ekene Zenko, na-ekene Igwe ụkpọ, na-ekene ebe niile dị na anụ ụkpọ, ma ụmụ dị iche, ma ụmụ Ahaba, ma ụmụ Ruko, ma Ebe, ma ụmụ Uhu, ma Ugwuọrị. Ebe niile ụkpọ kpasịrị isi na sapọtụ ka ndị be anyị na-abata ụlọ Krismas. Asị ka Chineke gọzie unu. Ile n'anya ndị na-echekwa obodo karịrị 500. Nke a bụ nke unu fụrụ anya. Ha karịrị 500 ndị na-echekwa obodo. Anyị ihe ha ji wee nọrọ ihe agịta abụ ha na-agagharị ma ime abalị ụtụtụ ehihie abalị everywhere wee fụ na be anyị mere gịnị dị mma. So ọ bụ na ị bụ onye ụkpọ na-atụ egwu na ịbata be gị na-abịa ikuru gị asị ụkpọ enwego sekuriti wee na-asị ndị ụkpọ biko kpatabazịa n'ụlọ ka a dozie ebe anyị, ka a developụ ebe anyị, unu agbazị n'ọsọ. Ndị a bụ ụmụnne anyị, ha nchapụkwa ndị Igbo. Ihe a na-ọrụ ya bụ ime eguchọ na ịrahụrụ ụra ka nwa amụrụ ọkụ. Ha nwa na-amụ anya abalị ka gịnwa wee nwee ike rahụ ụra. Ha nwa na-ede gịnị? Ha na-amụ anya abalị ka gịnwa bụ mmadụ wee nwee ike rahụ ụra. Adị ihe a jụrụ ebe ya bụ nkwado ndị ụkpọ niile. Gọvanọ Soludo mechara wee sị na ndị ụkpọ bụ the highest obodo nwere sekuriti. And ndị ụkpọ nwere ekere unu wee na-asị biko ọ bụrụ na-atụ ibu 1 naira na sekuriti tee 5 naira. Ọ bụrụ na ọ na-abụ ịpụta ndị sekuriti ya 1000 adịghị ego ha yiri ndị ka gịnị ka ha wikere aracha ọhịrị. Ọ mmadụ ka ha bụ, ha nwere nwunye nwee ụmụ mana ha ga-eri nri. Ndị na-efu ya dị ebe a mechin ịchọ obere elu
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video now, I want to also play you the video of Ngozi Orabueze as he take the recruit its own army. Watch the video.
Two email addresses attached to that place. That is the only place you can send your email if you are interested in joining the Biafra security, military, defense force, and all that. Only through the email. There is no form for now that is out there by the United States of Biafra for recruitment into security, defense, liberation army. No form at all. Anywhere you see any form, anywhere in homeland, just know it's from the criminals. Do not fill the form. We see the criminals parading and telling people to voluntarily join. That is criminal. It is not from the United States of Biafra government. All the foot soldiers that are working for the United States of Biafra, they have been sending their application using the approved email in that memo that was sent out for the recruitment of Biafra military and security. And if you go to that memo, there are only 2 emails. Send your request to that email. There is a team that is processing that. There are people that are going to do the interview. They will call you, follow up with you before they can even do anything. Please, for now, any form you see parading in homeland for people to join Biafra military, just know that it's from the criminal elements. Do not join them. Thank you so much. We have no mercy for those that come to disrupt the restoration of this struggle. We don't negotiate with anyone. We will never do that. Because when you do things like that, you encourage the same thing to be inside the government, and they will continue to do what they are doing. There's an adage that says, no matter how you try to leave them, to forgive them, to accept them, they will still come up with that same behavior. Because Nigerian government has a process of divide and conquer. They use people within to destroy what Biafrans are doing. We already know that, and that is why they are not going anywhere. That is why we stop them on their track. That is why we discover them anywhere they are, and we bring them down. That is what we will continue to do. No mercy. No mercy, because lives have been lost. People have died. Children have died. Innocent Biafrans have been murdered. They've spilled their blood. We are not joking. Anybody, any attorney, any lobbyist, you think we are joking in this restoration process? I pity you. Sorry will be your name.
So we'll see him today, and I will say more quickly carry and go show now. I beg make una share this video as it read.